Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make lemon Greek yogurt cake. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line the cake pan with parchment paper and wrap the outside of the pan with double aluminum foil to prevent water from seeping in. Boil about 1 liter of water for water bath. In a food processor, crush the graham crackers into fine crumbs. Mix with melted unsalted butter until evenly combined. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a cake pan. It's easy to press with the edge of a rolling pin. Put it in a refrigerator to let it cool. In a food processor, combine Greek yogurt, sugar, and eggs until smooth. Add the lemon zest, lemon juice, vanilla paste, and Cointreau, and mix well. Sift in the flour and mix until smooth. Pour the filling over the crust. Tap on the counter to remove air bubbles. Place the pan on the baking sheet, then carefully pour hot water into the baking sheet until it reaches halfway up the sides of the baking sheet. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 70 to 80 minutes until the surface of the cake is set. Remove the cake from the water bath and allow it to cool to room temperature. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours to overnight. Before serving, top with fresh berries, whipped cream, chocolate shavings, nuts, or cookies for an extra touch. I hope you enjoy making this delicious lemon Greek yogurt cake and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you for watching and see you guys again soon.